Have you ever dreamt of a place so magical and captivating that you could get lost in its beauty? Well, I recently had the chance to experience such a place on a one-day trip to the enchanting Rohtang Pass. It's a high-altitude mountain pass connecting the Kullu Valley to the Lahaul and Spiti valleys of Himachal Pradesh, offering breathtaking views of the Himalayan mountain range, making it a popular attraction for tourists and adventurers. Let me take you on a journey which I hope will inspire you to visit the region. The sun was just beginning to rise over the peaks of the Himalayas as we set out on our day. The journey towards Rohtang Pass begins from the town of Manali. From here you can hire a taxi. The journey takes 4 to 5 hours. As we drove up the winding mountain road, we were treated to the views of the stunning landscapes that surrounded us. Rohtang Pass is one of the most popular Himalayan trekking destinations. It's at an elevation of approximately 3,950 meters above sea level, making it one of the most challenging treks in the region. Rohtang Pass is open for 6 to 7 months of the year from April to October, and hence that becomes the only and best time to visit. One of the most famous stories about Rohtang Pass is about the legend of Kinnar Kailash, a mythical mountain said to be located near the pass. According to the local legend, the Kinnar Kailash is home to the gods and is only visible to those who are pure of heart. Many people believe that if they can reach the top of the Kinnar Kailash, they will be granted a wish. The Yeti, also known as Abominable Snowman, is a creature that is said to inhabit the high mountain passes of the Himalayas, including Rohtang Pass. According to legend, the Yeti is a large ape-like creature that is covered in shaggy fur and has long, sharp claws. Some people claim to have seen Yeti in Rohtang Pass, although there is no scientific evidence to support these sightings. Another story about Rohtang Pass is the tale of the famous British explorer Sir Francis Younghusband, who passed through the pass on his journey to Lhasa, Tibet in the late 19th century. Younghusband's journey was filled with danger and adventure as he braved harsh weather conditions, treacherous mountain passes and hostile local tribes in order to reach his destination. Despite these challenges, Younghusband was able to successfully cross Rohtang Pass and continue on to Lhasa, where he made a number of important scientific and cultural discoveries. His journey through Rohtang Pass has since become a popular subject of legend and folklore in the region. Today, Rohtang Pass remains a popular destination for tourists and adventurers from around the world who come to experience the beauty and majesty of the Himalayas and to explore the many stories and legends associated with the historic mountain pass. After several hours of driving, we finally reached Rothang Pass. The pass was a sight to behold, with its towering peaks and sweeping vistas. The main attraction at the pass is the view of the Himalayan mountain range. beautiful snow-capped peaks can be seen from the pass, you can also enjoy a lot of outdoor activities. We spent the noon exploring the pass, taking long walks, and we were in awe as we gazed out at the endless expanse of snow and ice. We then headed down towards Koskar, a village that is located in Lahore and Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh. The village is located on the banks of Chandra river and is known for its Buddhist monasteries and natural beauty. The main crops grown in the region include potatoes, peas and barley. The village is also home to a hydroelectric power plant which supplies electricity to the surrounding areas. The village is also accessible by road via Atal Tunnel and from the nearby town Keelong. Check out our Jispa video if you would like to see more about Keelong. We also had a quick pit stop at Spiti Cut. Follow the adventure on Instagram to check out some of the pictures. Also on the way lies the village of Grampu, known for its stunning views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. This town is a popular destination for trekkers and hikers who come to explore the many trails that wind throughout the region. We then stopped at a small cafe in Sissu, chatting excitedly about our trip to Rothang. The village is nestled in a valley surrounded by mountains. Traditional wooden houses with sloping roofs and brightly colored doors and windows line the street, and the friendly locals greet the tourists with warm smiles. Then we headed towards Sissu Waterfalls. The waterfalls are located just a short distance from the village of Sissu. We stood at the base, mesmerized by the sight, and couldn't resist the temptation to take the zip line across the falls. The accelerating ride gave us an up-close view of the falls. After the zip line, we did a short trek to reach the falls. The lush vegetation and the chirping birds created a peaceful, serene atmosphere. After a few hours to trek, we approached the waterfalls. Standing at the base of Sissu Waterfalls, marveling at the sheer power and beauty of the cascading water. The sound of the rushing water fills the air, and the mist created by the falls creates a cool, refreshing atmosphere. As the sun began to set, we reluctantly headed back, feeling grateful for the amazing day we had. As we headed back down the mountain from our amazing adventure, we knew that we would always remember this trip to Rothang Pass and all the sights and sounds and experience that we had. As we drove back, I couldn't wait to share this incredible footage which I captured today, and I'm excited to share this experience with you, and I hope that my videos would inspire you to visit the region. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video.